Let's answer some questions together about the topic of bases and alkalis. The first question is to decide whether or not the following compounds are soluble in water. Sodium hydroxide. Is it soluble in water? Well, we just saw it in the previous diagram. Sodium hydroxide is an alkalis, therefore it's a base and it's soluble in water. So this is correct. Copper oxide. Is copper oxide, CuO, soluble in water? So the first thing that will come up to your mind is that copper oxide is a base. Yes, it's a base. But is it an alkalis? Copper oxide is not an alkalis. It's a base that is not soluble in water. Hydrogen chloride. Is hydrogen chloride soluble in water? Well, hydrogen chloride is an acid and it is soluble in water. Ammonia is the fourth compound. Is it soluble in water or not? In fact, ammonia is soluble in water because it's able to form hydrogen bonds and this makes it highly miscible with water. Iron 3 oxide has the formula of Fe2O3. Is it soluble in water or not? Think about the diagram that we saw earlier in the video. Iron 3 oxide is a base, but it's not an alkalis, and therefore it is not soluble in water.